Want richer sound, smarter noise control, and all-day comfort in one pair of earbuds? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're checking out the Soundcore P31i Wireless Earbuds, delivering powerful sound with deep bass and effective noise cancellation. With clear call quality and a comfortable, secure fit, they're perfect for music, gaming, and daily use. Plus, long battery life, fast charging, and smart touch controls make them ideal for listening on the go. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Soundcore P31i Wireless Earbuds, charging case, extra ear tips, USB Type-C to USB-A charging cable, user manual and quick start guide. Product features. The Soundcore P31i delivers strong, deep bass that adds more energy and impact to your music. Along with powerful lows, it keeps mids and highs clear for a balanced sound experience. This makes vocals, instruments, and beats all sound more detailed and immersive. Whether you're listening to songs, watching videos, or gaming, the audio feels rich and engaging. The earbuds come with active noise cancellation that helps reduce unwanted background sounds. It allows you to stay focused on your music or calls even in noisy places like streets or public transport. This creates a quieter and more personal listening space. You can enjoy clearer audio without constant distractions around you. The Soundcore P31i is designed for extended usage with long-lasting battery performance. You can enjoy hours of continuous music, calls, or entertainment on a single charge. When the battery runs low, fast charging quickly powers them back up. This makes them ideal for travel, work, and daily routines without interruptions. With AI-powered noise reduction, your voice stays clear during calls, even in busy environments. It helps filter out background noise so conversations sound more natural and understandable. This improves call quality, whether you're indoors or outdoors. It's especially useful for work meetings and important conversations. Technical specifications. How to wear. Begin by selecting the silicone ear tips that best fit your ears. The earbuds come with multiple sizes, so you can pick the one that offers the most comfortable and secure fit. A proper seal not only enhances comfort, but also improves sound quality, giving you deeper bass and clearer audio. It also helps block outside noise naturally, so you can enjoy your music or calls without distractions. Gently place the left, L, and right R earbuds into your respective ears. Make sure the markings match each ear to ensure proper stereo sound. If necessary, twist the earbuds slightly while inserting so that the tips sit securely in your ear canal. This ensures the earbuds stay in place during daily activities, workouts, or commuting. Once in place, check that the earbuds feel stable but not too tight. The main body should rest comfortably in the outer ear, while the tip lightly seals the ear canal. You can make small adjustments by rotating or shifting the earbuds slightly until they feel snug and secure. This will prevent slipping and provide the best sound experience. How to pair? Start by downloading the Soundcore app from the App Store or Google Play. This app unlocks extra features like EQ presets, touch control customization, and additional settings to personalize your listening experience with the Soundcore Wireless Earbuds. Take the earbuds out of the charging case and they will automatically enter pairing mode. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone, search for your device in the available devices list, and select it to connect. The earbuds will then be successfully linked to your device. Once connected, open the app to confirm pairing if prompted. From there, you can adjust sound settings, choose EQ presets, and customize touch controls based on your preference. After setup, your earbuds are fully ready for music, calls, and everyday use. How to charge. To charge your earbuds, plug the USB Type-C cable into the charging port located on the bottom of the case. Connect the other end to a power source, such as a wall adapter, laptop, or power bank. Once connected, the LED indicator on the case will light up to show that charging has started. Keep the case on a stable surface while charging and allow it to fully charge for maximum battery performance. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use approved chargers. Keep them dry. Clean gently. Use safe listening levels. Store properly. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.